Can you imagine a world where giant and bizarre creatures dominated the oceans? In this video, we're diving into the depths of time to reveal 10 extinct marine creatures that defy logic and imagination. Get ready to meet fierce predators, ocean giants, and forms of life that seem straight out of a science fiction movie. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of the past and want to discover how these beings shaped the history of the seas, you won't want to miss this. So, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and like the video to keep exploring these submerged secrets with us. 1. Anomalocaris, Anomalocaris canadensis. We start our list with Anomalocaris, one of the oldest and strangest creatures to have ever swum the seas. Living during the Cambrian period, around 500 million years ago, Anomalocaris was a marine predator that could grow up to almost 3 feet long, a giant for its time. With a long, flexible body, large compound eyes, and a circular mouth full of sharp blades, it was the terror of Cambrian oceans. Its front claw-like structures were used to capture and manipulate its prey, making it a formidable predator. Despite its name meaning strange shrimp, Anomalocaris is not directly related to modern shrimp. It belonged to an extinct group of arthropods that have no direct descendants today. Studying Anomalocaris has revealed much about marine life in the Cambrian period, a critical time in Earth's history when many complex life forms began to appear. 2. Dunkleosteus, Dunkleosteus torelli. Dunkleosteus is one of the most iconic extinct marine creatures, known for its immense size and terrifying appearance. Living around 360 million years ago during the Devonian period, this placoderm fish could reach up to 33 feet in length and weigh several tons. Dunkleosteus was a super predator, equipped with powerful jaws that could cut through almost anything, including the hard shells of other marine animals. A notable feature of Dunkleosteus was its lack of true teeth. Instead, its jaws were made of sharp bony plates that functioned like a guillotine. This giant fish was capable of generating an incredibly powerful bite force, strong enough to crush any prey. Its impressive body armor, made of bony plates, provided protection against other predators of its time. 3. Megalodon, Carcharocles Megalodon. Megalodon, the largest shark that ever existed, is one of the most famous marine creatures in history. Living between 23 and 3.6 million years ago during the Neogene period, Megalodon could reach up to 60 feet in length, making it the largest marine predator ever. With jaws capable of exerting the most powerful bite force ever recorded, it fed on large whales, giant sea turtles, and other marine animals. Megalodon's teeth, which could be up to 7 inches tall, are some of the only fossilized remains of this giant, and they are key to understanding its behavior. Its extinction remains a mystery, but climate change and the decline of its primary prey are believed to have contributed to its disappearance. Although extinct, Megalodon continues to fascinate scientists and the public, fueling myths and legends about the giants of the seas. 4. Opabinia, Opabinia regalis. Opabinia is another bizarre creature from the Cambrian period, known for its segmented body and nightmarish head. Measuring about 3 inches in length, this small marine predator had 5 eyes arranged on top of its head and a long, claw-like proboscis used to capture food. Its appearance is so strange that when it was first presented to scientists, many thought it was a joke. This strange inhabitant of the Cambrian seas is a fascinating example of the bizarre diversity of life forms that existed at that time. Opabinia likely fed on small invertebrates, using its proboscis to capture them and bring them to its mouth. Despite its alien-like appearance, Opabinia offers a unique glimpse into how marine life was evolving during one of the oldest periods in Earth's history. 5. Liopleurodon, Liopleurodon ferox. Liopleurodon is one of the largest marine predators ever, living during the Jurassic period, about 160 million years ago. This pliosaur could reach up to 33 feet in length and was equipped with powerful jaws filled with sharp teeth. With its enormous flippers, it was an agile and fast swimmer, capable of ambushing prey like fish and other marine reptiles with extreme efficiency. Liopleurodon is often depicted as a top predator in Jurassic seas, with enough strength to take down almost anything in its path. Its enormous head, which accounted for almost a third of its total length, was a deadly weapon. Paleontologists believe that Liopleurodon hunted its prey using a combination of quick ambushes and a keen sense of smell, which it used to detect scents in the water. 6. Helicoprion, Helicoprion bessinoi. Helicoprion is one of the most bizarre creatures ever discovered, mainly because of its circular saw-like jaw. This cartilaginous fish lived about 290 million years ago during the Permian period and could reach up to 20 feet in length. Its spiral jaw, called a whorl, was made up of continuously growing teeth that were as sharp as blades. Although it initially puzzled scientists about how this structure functioned, it is now believed that Helicoprion used its spiral jaw to slice through its prey, which were likely soft-bodied mollusks and small fish. Modern reconstructions of Helicoprion place it as one of the most peculiar predators of the prehistoric ocean, with a unique adaptation that sets it apart from all other cartilaginous fish. 7. Basilosaurus. Basilosaurus cetoides. Basilosaurus, which lived about 40 million years ago, is one of the earliest large cetaceans and one of the strangest. Despite the name Basilosaurus, meaning king lizard, it was actually a primitive ancestor of modern whales. Measuring up to 60 feet in length, Basilosaurus had a long, serpentine body with small flippers and a head equipped with sharp teeth adapted for tearing flesh. This giant marine predator was a top predator in its habitat, feeding on fish and other smaller marine animals. Its elongated vertebrae gave it a unique appearance, distinct from today's whales. Basilosaurus plays an important role in understanding cetacean evolution, showing how whales transition from land-dwelling creatures to ocean giants. 8. Plesiosaurus. Plesiosaurus dolichodirus. Plesiosaurus is one of the most iconic marine reptiles, known for its long neck and small head. Living during the Jurassic period, about 200 million years ago, Plesiosaurus could reach up to 11 feet in length, most of which was its elongated neck. This peculiar design allowed Plesiosaurus to move slowly through shallow waters, capturing fish and other small marine animals with its pointed teeth. Although Plesiosaurus is often depicted in works of fiction, like the famous Loch Ness Monster, it was a real animal with adaptations that made it an effective hunter in Jurassic seas. Its hydrodynamic body and wide flippers helped it glide smoothly through the water, while its long neck gave it the reach to capture prey from a distance. 9. Sarcosuchus. Sarcosuchus imperator. Sarcosuchus, also known as the super croc, was one of the largest crocodile-like reptiles that ever lived. Measuring up to 40 feet in length, Sarcosuchus lived about 112 million years ago during the Cretaceous period and was a dominant predator in its ecosystem. Unlike modern crocodiles, Sarcosuchus had a long, broad snout filled with over 100 teeth, which it used to catch large prey, including dinosaurs that ventured too close to the water. One of the most impressive features of Sarcosuchus was its size. It was twice as long as the largest crocodiles alive today and could weigh up to 10 tons. Its sheer size and power made it a formidable predator, capable of taking down almost any creature that crossed its path. Sarcosuchus is a testament to the incredible diversity of reptilian life that once existed on Earth. 10. Megalograptus. Megalograptus welchi. Megalograptus, a giant sea scorpion that lived around 390 million years ago during the Devonian period, is one of the most fearsome arthropods that ever existed. Reaching lengths of up to 7 feet, Megalograptus had large, powerful pincers and a spiked tail, making it a formidable predator in its aquatic environment. This creature roamed the shallow seas, hunting fish and other marine animals with its sharp, clawed limbs. Megalograptus is a prime example of the incredible variety of life forms that once dominated the Earth's oceans. Its armored body and terrifying appearance make it one of the most interesting and awe-inspiring creatures to study. Although extinct, Megalograptus continues to capture the imagination of scientists and enthusiasts alike, providing a glimpse into a time when giant sea scorpions ruled the seas. The depths of the ocean reveal creatures that seem straight out of science fiction but actually existed. Each of these incredible species shows us the diversity and wonder of life on Earth in the past. These ancient giants and predators ruled the seas, leaving a legacy that still fascinates scientists and nature enthusiasts. And if you were amazed by these marine creatures, get ready for more surprises. Don't miss our video, You Won't Believe These 10 Animals Actually Existed, to discover other species that will challenge your imagination. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more adventures through time.